In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Mac computer keeps crashing or freezing. So if you're having any kind of issues where the Mac's not working correctly, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand side, and then click on System Settings. You could then click on General from the list of options, and the first thing we need to do is go and click on the Software Update. Now, if there's any updates available, you'll need to make sure you install these now. Sometimes outdated software can actually cause issues with your Mac not working. And then once you've installed any pending updates, you can just come back over to the main general page. From here, go and click on Login Items and Extensions, and you'll see at the top we have this section that says Open at Login. Now, these are the apps that automatically start when you first turn on your computer. So what I would recommend doing is actually going and removing any of these applications. So just go and select the app like so, and then you can click on this minus button, and we're also going to do the same for this one as well. And once you've finished, your list should be empty like you see here. Now, you may also have some apps running in the background that could be causing your Mac to crash. So if you see an app here that you don't recognize or something looks quite suspicious, then just go and disable the app background activity just by turning this button off like so, and you may need to go and enter your password just to confirm these changes. Now, once you've done all of this, you can go in, close out of this window, and then you'll need to click on the Finder over in this bottom left-hand taskbar. You can then click on Applications, and here you'll see a list of all of the applications currently on your computer. Now, it could be the case that one of these applications is actually responsible for your Mac freezing. So what I'd recommend doing is going through the list, and you can try uninstalling anything that looks suspicious or anything that you've recently installed that could be causing this issue. Now, to go and uninstall an application, you can just right click on it and you can press the Move to Trash button. Once you have moved it to the trash folder, make sure to go and click on your trash, and also make sure to click on this empty button. Now, once you've made all of these changes, go and restart your computer, and hopefully now that's solved the crashing issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.